Stop guessing on how to fix the play integrity token is not valid error in Firebase Authentication. This is exactly how you resolve it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they focus on code changes when the issue is almost always a configuration mismatch between the Google Play console and the Firebase console. Before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic of the attestation handshake, or you will just get stuck in an endless loop of 403 forbidden errors. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So, it is impossible for your app to fail the integrity check again. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on fixing these complex API roadblocks that stop production releases in their tracks. First, you must go to the Play console under App Integrity and ensure your cloud project is linked to the exact same project ID as your Firebase project. If you are testing on a physical device, ensure you have added your SHA 256 fingerprint from the Play console's app signing section directly into your Firebase project settings. The secret trick that other creators missed is that if you are using a debug build, the Play integrity token will always fail unless you specifically initialize the debug app check provider in your code and register a debug secret in the Firebase console. This bypasses the strict production requirements while you are still in development. Once you have verified your SHA keys, navigate to the App Check section in Firebase and toggle the enforcement to monitor first to ensure your legitimate users are passing before you hit enforce. By following this